Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel again. And today we are here with another app in code.org in the App Lab. And this game is going to be very beneficial for the people who don't have any dice. Sometimes these kind of thing happen, like when we try to play some games like snake and ladder, or we try to play ludo, but we always lost our dice. But in this game we are going to create a dice game. For that, you just have to create this button, and there will be one image. So when you click on that button, automatically a dice number along with the dice image will come. Want to see how it works? Let's see it. So only the button is visible initially. So when you click on roll me button, you will be able to see the dice one image, also the number is going to display here. Again, if I just click roll me, another number will get displayed, and for that number the same image will get displayed. So suppose now sometimes when you are trying to play and you are not able to find your dice, then at that time you can use your app and just play the game. Enjoyment should never be stopped. That's why this game is going to help you a lot, and I hope you guys enjoy creating this game because it is as easy as it looks. Okay, so let's just try to create it, and I'll just tell you the components that we have taken. This is an image component, this is a label, and this is a button, and that's all. So now let's get into the code.org app to create the dice app. Yes. So this is the code.org platform where we are going to create our app today. Now, if I go to the designing, I have already taken the image component here as we have discussed. Image component, you can take it from here, drag and manage its width and height. Now, of course, in this image component, initially no image will be shown, but we have to keep the images ready so that whenever the button clicked, the image should appear. So for that, on the right side, you will find one image property over here. This is the image component property image. So if I click on choose, you'll be able to see I have already uploaded all the images that are required. Okay, so from where to get the images? You can also go to the Google and maybe search for dice images. Dice images, you can just search for it, or if you want to get one number, you can say dice images one, like that, and you'll be able to get so many images from here. You can download these images from here. Suppose I want this image, I'll also show you how to take the image. So you just have to right click on it, click on save image as, okay, and just save it on your desktop. So suppose I give the name images1 and just save it. Then you have to come back to the code.org, and here you have to click on upload file. When you click on upload file, you have to go to your downloads, and okay, let me just search, it is png file. Let me just search for it, guys. Yes, here it is. It is images one. So just double click on it and it will automatically appear over here. And now when you want to upload it, you can just click on choose. Okay, but right now we don't want to upload any image. We just need to upload the images in this images section, not in the component. Okay, so as I have already have one png, so I will just delete it from here. Okay, and make sure the name should not come like this images one or something. So after downloading, you can rename it. Okay, so I'll just delete it as of now. All right, now as you can see, I have already taken 1 2 3 4 5 6 pngs, and I have taken it inside this image component. Okay, so what is the work for you? Just take this image component, the button, and in the image component you just have to upload all the images here. We will take the images, we will call for those images which we require from the code. Okay, not from the designing. And just closing it. One more component I have taken here, label. This is a label over here, and it is a blank label. If I type something, you'll be able to see the text coming, but right now I don't want to have anything inside this label. Okay, so why we have taken this label one and what is the use of it, that you will understand in code. Okay, I will explain over there. So yes, this is the simple designing the image component, a label and a button. On the button you can give the text as roll me or anything that you like. Okay, now let's go to the code. And don't worry if you are not able to find the images or anything like that, then I will provide the link of this blank project below the YouTube video. Okay, so I'm just clicking on the code. Now, what we have to do? Let's think for a while. So, all that we want is whenever we run and click on the button called roll me, what should happen? Automatically, the image should come and the label should also say the number, right? So, for that, initially, let's just take a on event, which is nothing but a button click. As this is like a block based command, if you want to do a text based coding, you can click here show text and just go there, it will allow you to type it. Okay, as we are just learning block based, so I'm just clicking on show blocks over here again. Okay, yeah, so now let's change the id to button. Oh yeah, I have forgot to tell you that for the button I have given the id as button roll. You can also keep it button one, doesn't matter. Okay, so I hope the designing is clear to you guys. And after that, now what we have done, on event button roll is click. We are going to tell the computer, hey computer, when on event means when a button roll is clicked, what you need to do. So what we want? Now tell me, dice have how many numbers? Six, right? We all know that. One to six. So we don't want only a single number should come. We want randomly the number should come. For that, what we have to do? Of course, we have to take some random number. Hmm? And in order to take the random number, you can go to the math and take the random number command from here. But where we will keep it? So for that, we will take one variable here. Okay. And from that variable, you can just say it like a variable x. And to the x, I will just give the name as num. And then I'll go to the math and I'll take the random number command after this and I'll give 1 to 6. So what will happen? Every time I click a button, this variable num will get stored with any random number between 1 to 6. It can be 4, 3, 2, 1, anything like that. Okay? Yes. Now, why we have taken the label? This label is important over here. So what we will do, whatever number is coming, so we will set the text of the label. Okay, you will understand this. Set the text of the label, not the image of the label, to num. As num is a variable, we should not take it into the double quote. That is the reason we are going to take it without the double quote. And I'm just typing the variable name over here. So see now, when I run, click on roll me, one number is coming here. Okay. Now again and again I'm clicking, number is getting generated. Yes, half of the work is done because this is the main logic that we should understand. Okay, and now what is the thing is whatever number is coming, that number image we have to show. Suppose 1 is coming, we have to show 1.png. 2 is coming, we have to show 2.png. So what we have to do, we have to always check what is the number. Computer will always ask what is the number, which image I should show, which image I should show. So for that we have to come to the control and let's take if else. What is the if else? If else is nothing but a block which will check the condition. If will check the condition. In our day-to-day life also we say these things like oh, if I'll go today, else I'll go tomorrow. If I eat this or not, like that, right? So that is the if else. So what we have to do always, we have to compare now. So in order to compare, go to the math, you will find one equals equal symbol. And what we have to compare now? We will always compare whether the num equals 1 here. Okay, this is our first condition that we are taking, whether the number got generated is 1. We are asking the if condition. Check if it is 1. And if it is 1, then of course we have to show the first image. right? So go to UI control, and there you will find one instruction called set image URL. Okay, so take that instruction, put it here, and set image URL where you want to save. What is the ID for this? Image 1. So go there, make it image 1, and now from here you have to select the image. Choose and select 1.png. And there you go, it is coming. That means we have told the computer if the label, now as I have told you from the designing that what is the purpose of label, I'll tell you this is the purpose of label. So what logic we have applied is whatever number is coming in the label, that image we will show. If the label says 6, we will show number 6 image. If label say 4, we will show number 4 image. Okay, great. Now after that we have, if the number is not equal, so okay, this will perfectly work for number is equals 1. But what if the number is not equals to 1? Then we have to give another else if condition. So after the else, you will be able to see there is a plus. So you have to click on plus. So when you click on this plus, automatically one more condition will come. And there you go. You have to follow the same process everywhere. Okay, now I will write here if num equals 2. What is num? Num is a variable. Okay, and whatever is coming inside the num, that only we are keeping in the label. So if num is equals to, then what we have to do? Again go there and search for set image URL, and then repeat the process. Inside, if it is 2, I want to show the number 2 image. Simple. Again click on this plus icon, else if. Now I'll just do it quickly. I hope you guys have understood. This is very easy. Okay. Now equals 3. Only the thing is you should understand the logic. Once you understand the logic, everything will be so easy over here, because it's all about the logic. What is coding? All about the logic. What you think, what you implement, that all will come here. Now let me just do it multiple at a time. Okay, 4 5, and I'll also take it for 6. I don't want the else part only, so let's just grab it quickly. Now equals, I hope you guys have understood. I can easily copy and paste also going here in the source text, but I'll just do it from here like this. Control C V. Okay, I'll just do one thing. Show. I'll just go here, and if you want to do copy and paste, you can just copy like this. Control C, and from here, just do Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, go to show blocks. Now you can come. You can see here all the commands are here. I'll just drag it down now, and from here I will just give if num equals 4. This will be num equals 5, and in the last there is actually no need to check it, because of course if the number is not 1 2 3 4 or 5, of course the number will be 6. So if condition else condition also works, but this is okay as we are doing it 1 2 3. Now if the number is 4, it should be 4.png, isn't it? Yes. Choose. If it is 5, it will be 5.png, and yes, we are looking for the last one, which will be 6.png. Amazing, we are done with our code, and I hope it works correctly. Now we are just going to check it. Before checking, you can also rename it. Okay, always remember to rename your apps, because if you don't rename, and if you by mistakenly refresh the page or reload the page, all of your work will gone. Okay, so just click on run, and let's just check it. Click on roll me. Yeah, it is coming. Again, roll me. 2, 5, 3, 6, 2, 1. Amazing. It is working. And suppose you are clicking again, and if it is not happening, there could be chance that the number is selected again. Okay. If the image is showing 1 and again you clicked and nothing is happening, that means again 1 is selected. Okay, then keep on clicking, you will find different numbers over here. Yes, I hope you guys find it easy, and in the next tutorial I will be showing two dice game. Like, sometimes we don't only play with one dice, we play with two dice. So I'll be also showing that. Okay, for that, just keep watching. And if you have any question, please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. Okay, all right, enjoy, bye, keep coding, and do create this application. It will be super fun. Bye, take care. I'll see you guys in the next video.